Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with safe, deliberate actions. Power down, unplug, and wait about 60 seconds so residual charge dissipates. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap or touch a metal chassis point. This prevents static damage to the SSD. Make sure you have the correct screwdriver, PH0 or PH1 depending on screw size, and a magnetic tray to keep fasteners organized. Now remove the external case screws and open the chassis using the manufacturer's hinge or latch. You should see the drive bay assembly ready for access. You now locate the drive. Determine whether it's a 2.5-inch SATA mounted with 4 screws or an M.2 secured by a single standoff screw. Once identified, stabilize the SSD with one hand so it doesn't twist, and use a correctly sized screwdriver to turn the screw counterclockwise with steady, controlled torque to avoid stripping. If it's an M.2, angle the module slightly upward after the screw backs out and slide it free from the socket. Make sure you keep screws in a labeled tray so reassembly is simple. You finish by pulling the SSD straight out, keeping the pull force parallel to the connector so pins and PCB don't flex. Once free, inspect the bay for debris and confirm brackets or catas are intact. Then return screws and panels in reverse order, making sure connectors seat cleanly. If a screw is stuck, stop and use a penetrating lubricant sparingly on the threads, or switch to a driver with a better fit and grip. This prevents stripping and protects the drive. Test power-up only after full reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.